Trams have been in Milan even before 1900s. In the initial days, it was horse-driven. There are around 18 different tram lines now in Milan and mostly numbered between 1 and 33. The tram stops are clearly indicated with the stop names and you could easily trace it in Google Maps or other similar applications. The tickets for the tram or any other means of transport in Milan can be purchased in the metro stops, kiosks or off licenses like bookshops, souvenir shops or tobacco shops. Each ticket, which can be used on the metro, trams and buses in Milan, costs €2 and is valid for 90 minutes. You are allowed to ride as many buses and trams within that 90 minutes window as you like. Children below 10 years can travel free. Of course, there are other ticket types like 24 hours pass, 48 hours pass, week pass and so on. Don't forget to validate your ticket upon first use. On trams and buses, you will find the validation machine on board where you could stamp your ticket. Tram service starts early in the morning and continues till late night. Thanks to its extensive network, the trams in Milan are one of the easiest and fastest ways to get in around the city. We happened to see a situation where a car had to be pulled by the police as it was dangerously parked near a tram line, making it impossible for the trams to pass by. We also saw few situations where our hop-on hop-off bus driver had to reverse his bus for allowing the tram from opposite direction to pass by safely. From single car units to the very latest 5-car units, there is a great range of trams available in Milan. The tram network is currently 175 plus kilometers long, making it one of the biggest in the world.